Today, we are going to learn about vitamin A. What is vitamin A? Although classified as a vitamin, to be more specific, it's a group of fat-soluble compounds. So, fat-soluble is identified as having the ability to dissolve in fat and stored in the liver or fat tissues until the body needs it. Now, a compound are when parts are put together to form a whole. Vitamin A comes in two forms. The first form is called preformed vitamin A, also known as retinol. That is in an active form. It's ready to use and on hand for the body at any time. Now, the second form is provitamin A, and this is the carotenoids. But the catch with this is it's not in an active form. It actually has to be converted by an enzyme into the active form of vitamin A. So, vitamin A is also classified as an essential micronutrient, and this means that our bodies cannot manufacture it. We have to include it in our diet. Vitamin A has multiple functions. Now, it's best known for the role that it plays in vision and eye health. In fact, it's absolutely essential for color vision and for low light vision as well. In fact, it even helps to protect and maintain the cornea. Now, another function that it has is the role it plays in maintaining a healthy immune system. And it does this by supporting the growth and distribution of B and T cells, which is a type of white blood cell that protect our body from infections. Vitamin A is an antioxidant, which allows it to naturally neutralize free radicals that damage our tissues. It also helps support the daily replacement, or also known as regeneration, of skin cells, and it maintains the integrity and function of our epithelial tissues, which includes skin, intestines, lungs, bladder, and inner ear. The last function I want to talk about is its role in the reproductive system. If you're trying to conceive, it plays a role in sperm and egg development. It is essential for placental health and also the development and maintenance of fetal tissue, and in fact, overall, just fetal growth. If you're deficient or lacking in vitamin A, there's symptoms that you may be experiencing. Those include an impaired immunity, dry lips, thick or scaly skin, reduced night vision or night blindness, stunted growth in children, dry mouth, or even dry eyes. Being deficient in vitamin A can be caused by a variety of issues. Those include leaky gut, celiac disease, digestive issues, lack of bile from the gallbladder, not consuming enough preformed vitamin A, which is your retinol in your animal products, and not being able to convert enough provitamin A, which is your carotenoids or your plant-based products. There are plenty of sources to get vitamin A. What we have to pay attention to is the form that we get. So preformed vitamin A, which is our retinol, is obtained through animal-based food products, such as cod liver oil, egg yolks, butter, beef liver, fish, cheese, other dairy products. Now, provitamin A, the carotenoids, are plant-based. So we can get those from winter or butternut squash, sweet potato, kale, carrots, spinach, broccoli, orange and yellow colored produce. All the sources of vitamin A need some sort of fat to help aid in its absorption. With the multiple functions that vitamin A does, there are a lot of benefits that we can reap as long as we're taking in the proper amount for our body. Now, those benefits include cholesterol reduction, proper eye health, immunity support. It relieves inflammation. It keeps our skin glowing. It boosts bone health. It fights against free radicals. It prevents urinary stones. It promotes tissue repair. And it aids in reproduction and fetal development. So what is the recommended daily dose? Well, it's recommended that you should take anywhere from 700 to 900 micrograms daily for adults, and never exceed the upper daily limit of 300 micrograms. As long as you eat a healthy and balanced diet, it should never be a problem that you get the proper amount of vitamin A. The contents of this presentation was provided by Rachel Toon RN through glutenwatchers.com. Gluten Watchers is your one-stop source for all gluten-free needs. Visit www.glutenwatchers.com and let me help you start putting life back into your lifestyle.